with you a very delicious dragon fruit cheesecake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious dragon fruit cheesecake, these are the ingredients. Of course, graham crackers, half a stick of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of flavored gelatin, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste, half a cup of sour cream, 5 eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 Philadelphia containers, 2 dragon fruit, and the juice of 1 lemon. This is everything we need, so let's get started. First thing is first, I am making my cookies. I am going to blend them really good. I want this cookie crumb to be delicious. Of course, you can already pre-made to do it at home, because you save more money when you make your crumble cookie at home. But here I am adding 1 cup of the cookie mixture, and I'm adding 1 stick of butter, unsalted butter. I put it in the microwave for a couple minutes, and now I'm just going to incorporate it really good with the cookie crumb. Look at this. This is going to be the base of the cheesecake. This cheesecake comes out so delicious, creamy, and the flavor of dragon fruit, just amazing. Of course, on my baking dish, I'm gonna add some parchment paper on the bottom so it's easy to remove it when the cheesecake is ready. Well, you could use your hands, you could use a spatula, you could use a cup, or you could use a measuring cup to flatten out all the cookie crumbs. It's very easy, just flatten it, try for everything to be almost the same portion. Once this is done, you could bake it at 350 for 8 minutes or leave it as is. I usually leave it as is. I'm adding my 5 eggs, adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste, and I'm adding everything to my blender. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sour cream. I'm adding 2 sticks of Philadelphia cheese. I'm adding 1 cup of blend completely until it's nice and smooth. Of course, I'm gonna prepare my baking dish like this with foil all around, making sure that the water doesn't go in, because I am cooking this cheesecake in Mary Marie. That means I am adding another dish on the bottom, and I'm going to add some hot water into it. That's why I added the foil paper, so the water doesn't go into my cheesecake. And now it's gonna bake for 55 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Do not open the oven, leave it in there. And here I'm preparing the topping of the dragon fruit. I have 2 medium-sized red dragon fruit. Believe me, it's nice and sweet. It's organic because it's from my garden. To this, I'm gonna add the lemon of 1 lime. This is what I have in hand. You could use a yellow lemon, you could use a lime. The acidity is going to help this, reduce the sugar intake. But here I have the unsweetened gelatin, and I'm 1 tablespoon of unsweetened gelatin and 4 tablespoons of just plain water. Now I am going to go ahead, add, blend it really good, making sure it's nice and blended. To this mixture, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Remember, you want this to be nice and sweet. Now add the unsweetened gelatin. It's firm. I am going to take it to the microwave for about 10 seconds or 15 seconds until it dissolves completely. Once it's nice and dissolved, I'm going to add it into the mixture of the dragon fruit and sugar, and I'm going to mix very well. I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to wait until the cream cheese comes out of the oven. Once you get the cream cheese out of the oven, remove it from the water bath. And now, of course, we are going to wait at least 30 minutes before you add the mixture right on the top. Cover it with saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator. If you could leave it for about 5 hours, that'll be great, or overnight. I'm going to leave it for about 4 hours in the refrigerator, nice and tight, so the odor of the refrigerator doesn't penetrate my cheesecake. After the 4 hours, look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Carefully, I'm going to take the foil paper, remove it. It still has a little bit of water. I'm going to go ahead and reveal how this looks. Just do it very carefully. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. That's why I use the paper on the bottom. And look at this. This looks amazing. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I'm adding a little bit of decoration right on the top, a little bit of heavy whipping cream right on the top, and of course I am going to add some dragon fruit, fresh dragon fruit, right in the center. I am picking all my amazing organic dragon fruit from my garden, and right now it's the time to pick all this delicious fruit with so many antioxidants, and the flavor is just amazing. Well, I'm adding it right in the center, and I can't wait to enjoy it. If I could make this delicious and creamy dragon fruit cheesecake, you could make it at home too. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Remember, if you go to the supermarket and you want to buy a dragon fruit, check and make sure that it's a red pulp inside, and you could ask them. This one has much more flavor than the white one. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. My mouth is watering. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing dragon fruit cheesecake. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh, delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Nice and creamy and delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying this amazing dragon fruit cheesecake. See you soon. Bye-bye.